Welcome back to the channel. This is my YouTube studio. This is where I do 90% of my recordings and my live streams on Fridays, but this is not where I do all my video editing. So this is where I do all my video editing. This is all hand-me-down stuff. So this desk is a glass desk that I got from a family member. It's very wobbly, very disorganized, dysfunctional, and this chair I actually won in a giveaway on Twitter a long time ago. So I think it's time we do an upgrade here. So giant shout out to Flexispot for sending me out a new desk and a new ergonomic chair to replace my editing setup. They reached out to me a little while ago. We ended up coordinating a plan to do a remodel and a video. So I have no idea how this is going to work out. From my understanding, these are really easy to set up. The way it was sent to me was, this got sent first. They send the desk in two parts. I believe one is the tabletop and one is the actual base of the desk itself. And I have no idea how easy or hard it's going to be building this thing. So I'm going to be putting this stuff together and replacing all the stuff that you saw in the old editing station. And again, thank you. Big shout out to Flexispot for sending me these products to test and use and to do the remodel with. We do appreciate it. All right, so let's get into unboxing this stuff and putting it together. All right, and just like that, the remodel is done. So big shout out to Spacey Jones for letting me use his music that he created for the channel. Really good and awesome person. And this desk is amazing. So as you see in the video, the desk can go up and down, so you could turn it into a standing desk, or I like to call it hide from your kids and protect your stuff mode. I can raise it up if I don't want the kids to touch anything. You can lock it, so there's a nice lock feature with this device too. Not to mention how sleek and smooth it looks. You get all these ports on the side here. You have 4 saved modes. but different heights. You got a nice drawer. It's pretty thin, pretty low, but it doesn't really like intrude, and it kind of blends into the desk really well, and you can fit a laptop and a couple odds and ends in there. I highly recommend this chair and desk. Again, thank you Flexispot for sending this to me, and the links will be in the description. Thank you.